I've always been fascinated by the concept of mask because I feel that we put a good face on. We We're often treated based on how we appear. So we often decide how to present ourselves to either buffer ill treatment or to inspire more gracious behavior. Um, Also, it's not just about the mask. I did a whole series called The Box. Now, I'll go back and forth on this a bit. When I first graduated university, I was obsessed with masks because I felt that being of color myself, being from the West Indies, being African, I realized that no matter what I did, some people would not see beyond the surface of my face or the color of my skin. And I felt there was no mask that could mask who we are based on how people perceive us uh, in relationship to the other cultures that are visibly different, but also how we protect ourselves and not show uh, that vulnerability. So masking itself actually adds that poker face we talked about earlier, where we try never to let somebody see us sweat, because to win is, or to have someone buckle and to be affected by someone's ill treatment is giving them some form of success. And to mask whether they're making us feel is sometimes our best protector. So, having said both those things, I did a series called The Box, where I photographed over 100 people in this box and got about maybe 600 images out of it. Um, the box in itself was a metaphor for how we connect with things that put us in categories. What I found out in the process of creating the series, which took about 6 months to do, was that some people were apprehensive to go in the box, first of all. Most people were photographed nude in the box, but also once people were inside, many felt safe. And for me, that's ironic because when you can see only in one direction, makes you very vulnerable because you don't know what could be happening all around. But the actual fact is, what you don't see can't hurt you, and that's what I got from some of the models. So I didn't go into it with the answers. I went into this project with a lot of questions, and all the models came to me with their very different perspectives based on who they were, their life experiences, their families, jobs, and basically everything else that shaped up who they are as human beings.